Creatures lie here, looking through the window.
Hello guys, DJ here, and today I am doing an unboxing of my keyboard. This is the second part of the video, guys, because here's my monitor, guys. I know it's quite big. I think it's a 24 inch or something like that. So this is an Alleluia computer, I think it is, and I think it's from China or Japan, I don't know where. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of it because it just came today, and it was meant to be coming with all of the stuff. But apparently, they had to do some kind of checking thing while they were bringing it. So let's just open it up here, and here we go. So, there you go, guys. You can see from here. I know I'm doing this from my computer, and my computer, not my computer, my phone, and my phone is quite bad quality. But this is all I can do for now. And yeah, so, first of all, let's just get this out. Just get this out, guys. Trying to get this out. And yeah, there we go. So, as you can see, sorry guys. There we go. And yeah, that is it from a distance. It does have LED, as you can see from the inside. And that's basically the features of it, and it's pretty sick. It's really sensitive, and it is connected to my mouse that is here. I'm not gonna unbox that because that might be some things might go wrong in that. So I'm gonna pack it up again after this because I want to do this all on Saturday, so set it all up. But this is just an unboxing of the keyboard, so hope you enjoyed it, guys. And yeah, so hopefully this will soon all be unboxed. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. DJ here. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Peace! Hello guys, DJ here, and today I am going to be doing a giveaway, but this is it's not going to be today. This is just some information that I'm going to give you about it.